Okay, this page, right? We're just finding area of composite figures, folks. All that is like if you had simpler figures mushed together. And then we find each piece, add up those areas, and then that's the area of the total figure. You've kind of already been doing this on some of your homeworks without realizing what you were doing. So composite figures is the name of the game. Okay, so on this one, what two shapes do you guys see? Triangle and a rectangle. Yes. Which one do you want to find first? Triangle. Maybe label your work so I know and you know what you're doing. Formula for area of a triangle. Do you guys remember? Base times height divided by 2. Wow. Base times height divided by 2. Do we know the base of our triangle?
6.
That would be 6. What about our height? Do we know what that red segment would be?
No. We have to do Pythagorean theorem.
We do have to do Pythagorean theorem. It's quick. What would this length right here be? 3. Let's find our height quick. So 4 squared equals 3 squared plus x squared. Can't math. Square root of 7. And then let's go to the nearest tenth today on all of our calculations. So the nearest tenth, what are you guys getting?
2.6.
Perfect. All right, so our height is 2.6. So I'm going to plug that in over here. So 2.6, and we'll divide by 2. Perfect. All right, so 7.8 for the area of the triangle. I'm just going to box it in so I don't lose it. Then you guys can get a rectangle, right? How do you guys find the area of a rectangle?
Length times width.
You have length times width. I'm going to say base times height. What would the base and height be?
5 and 6.
5 and 6. So 5 times 6.
30.
Mm-hmm. But now what do we do with those two areas?
30 minus 7.
Subtract. So I'm just going to say total. We take 30 minus 7.8. Let me know. Yes.
So that's it?
That's it. So not super hard, but just kind of takes maybe a little bit longer than a normal problem because it's like 3 problems in one. All right, next one. What do you guys see here? Rhombus. And what about the big blue one?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram, right? Can we find the area of the parallelogram? You guys remember the formula for that one? Just base. You got the next one. Just base times height, right? What would your base be?
14.
14. What's the height?
9.
Oh, there you go. 14 times 9. Perfect. And then inside we have to subtract the area rhombus height. One of those, it looks like one of those two things. I'm just going to write height because it's less to write. You guys remember how to find the area?
Half of height times D1 plus D2.
You're so close.
Oh.
D1 times D2.
Yeah, D1 times D2 divided by 2.
What's up?
You're thinking of trapezoid. That will be the next one on the next page, or the next example. What's one of our diagonal lengths?
14.
14, right? From here to here, that would be 14. What about the other diagonal? 9 divided by 2. I heard it's 63. So it's like the last one, you just subtract. total. Feet squared. Okay, last one, folks. Kind of a weird looking thing. But it's just three basic shapes mushed together. Which one that you see? A circle. So I'm gonna call it A. Let's find the area of that circle up there. Anyone remember the area of a circle? Pi r squared. What is our radius? 1. So pi 1 squared. Just pi, right? So 3.14. Now the only problem, is it a whole circle? Half divided by 2. Guys, let me know what we get.
1.6.
1.6. Okay. I'm gonna just box that so I don't lose it in all my work up here. You guys see another shape up here? Triangle. Okay, I'm gonna call this guy B, our triangle. We said that's base times height divided by 2. What's your base? 3.25. Here. Are you ahead of me? What's the height?
Oh, it's 7.75.
All over 2. Nearest 10th, what are you guys getting?
2.6.
What about that last chunk? What is this guy? Trapezoid on its C. So this is the weird one. Half times your height times your bases added together. How tall is our trapezoid?
7.
7. One of our bases?
4.
4, and the other guy?
2.
All right, now it's calculator work. Because we have 21? Okay. Now we just add all up, add up those 3 totals, and we're done. $35.2? Okay, wonderful. Thanks, guys. That was good. Quick.